Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions.
Yeah, hey, this is Matt from Stella's Dental Repair. How are you?
Good. What can I help you with?
Hey, how do I go about it? I want to send a unit into you. How do I go about doing that?
So I would get you over to customer service, and they would, if you, what type of unit is it?
It's a G5 or a G4 5000.
G4. Okay. Do you have a manufacturer box for it?
Here.
Okay, perfect.
I have a box from you guys I can use.
Okay, but it's one of the, it's fit for that unit. It's for 5,000.
Yeah, I bought boxes from you guys to ship stuff in.
Okay, perfect. So customer service will send you a label via email. You box it up and send it in. Once we get it, we go through it. You get an itemized estimate and everything. If you didn't have a box, then we would send you a box with a return label. But since you have a box, that makes things faster and easier.
Yep. Okay.
Perfect. Hold on one second. I'll get you over customer service.
Hi, this is Cassidy speaking.
Hey, this is Matt from Stella's Dental Repair. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good. Hey, I want to send in a G4 Statim 5000 for repair.
Okay. What's some of the issues you're having out of it right now?
Well, the main issue is it leaks at the probe bracket.
Okay.
I mean, but you can go over it while it's in there and give me an estimate and see if he wants to fix it or not. He originally bought this from you guys, so it has one of your serial numbers on it.
Yeah.
Give it to you if you need it.
No, that's okay. And are you the best point of contact for this?
I am.
Okay. And what was your name again? I'm sorry.
Matt. M-A-T-T.
Okay. All right, Matt. And did you need a loaner at all?
No.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, I will go ahead and get this process started. Ian kind of mentioned to me that you already had a box. Is that correct?
Yeah, I bought boxes off of you guys so I could use them. And it speeds up the process. So I have one of your boxes, your 5,000 boxes sitting here.
Yeah, that's okay. So yeah.
I really just need a label.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go ahead and get this process to you now, and you should be receiving that label through the email on file. Okay.
Great.
Alrighty. If you have any questions or concerns, you just give us a call.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Of course. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.